Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you present?
Good morning, dear. How many rows we had done? Bolo, beta, how many rules were written in the notebook yesterday?
Ma'am, 11, 12, ma'am.
11 rules were written. So let me check out. Then it must be collective noun takes a singular verb. Did we do this last?
No, ma'am.
Not done this.
Good morning, ma'am.
How come so many students in your class today? Are they from different section? They're all 10th B students.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to 10th B today?
Good
Hardly.
morning, ma'am.
So many students have never.
Good morning,
Good.
ma'am.
No, good morning to TK. How come so many children are there in the class today? I have hardly
No,
seen children 10th B.
ma'am, today's strength is low, ma'am.
No, strength is low. Abhinath is in which section?
Ma'am, who, ma'am?
Abhinath.
Ma'am, he is not in our class.
Okay. Sania Khan. In which section?
B.
Ma'am, in this section only.
She has not even written her class in the UP PDF. Sania, 9B. Okay. Sanjeev K6287. What is this? In your class, Sanjeev K6287? No?
Ma'am, it might be Shaurya Shukla.
But ma'am, he is not in our class. He in C section.
Yes, ma'am.
Is in 9C?
Ma'am,
10th
10th C.
Okay, I'd have to check out then. And Manish Singh, is there any Manish Singh in your class?
Ma'am, he is in 10th C.
Ma'am, I think ma'am 10th C students are joining this class.
Oh, okay. Yes, Vivan is also coming. That is, I was wondering why this. Good.
Ma'am, A section.
Ma'am, he is in A section.
10th A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You are helping me out. There are so many students who have not written their names. Then we have Daksh Kumar.
Ma'am, he is in 10th C.
Yes.
Ma'am, have you checked our test copies?
Yes, I have checked. Most of you have cheated.
Can you tell the marks?
Problems, but first let me at least update my records. Who is Himanshu Singh? Which section?
Ma'am, he is in 10th C.
Himanshu Singh, 10th C. Okay. Then this child, there are so many students. Akshat Sharma.
Ma'am, he is in 10th A.
Akshat Sharma. So many times I told these children, please write your sections in class. I'm going to cut marks of all these students.
Was saying, ma'am, 10th C Manchu was saying he has sent 2 times PDF 2 times to you.
Maybe some of them have sent 10 times. I don't know why. As if 10 times you'll get more marks. Who is this Phonics Turbo? PHNX Phonics Turbo. Any idea? Whose
Yes,
ID is it?
ma'am. Ma'am, Abhay Singh Tovar, I think, ma'am. Ma'am, he's having Instagram username Phoenix.
Phoenix Turbo. Acha, then must be this child only. Now see, it is so difficult for me. Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, he is in 10th A.
so many children, if they will not write, then how will I know? Akshat Sharma,
Ma'am, he is also in 10th A.
blank PDF ESN. Anjali Mishra,
I don't know.
okay. Who is DS Army? DS Army. Any idea?
No, ma'am.
This army will remain army only. No, I don't care. Purvi Singh. Anyone knows? Purvi Singh?
Or no, ma'am.
Carefully. Carefully.
Yes, ma'am. He is in A section.
Okay. Okay. Who else is there? Priyanshi Sambhavani.
No, ma'am.
Praveen Mishra.
No, ma'am.
Pradyuman Yadav.
No, ma'am.
Now look at these invisible children. Huh? Anila Patel.
No, ma'am.
Rehan Ali. No. Rehan Ali.
No, ma'am.
Nobody knows. Now there's so many PDFs. No name is there. Anushka Gupta.
And there is no girl in our class like this.
Prakhar Kumar.
Ma'am, these
Ma'am,
are the
ma'am,
names
these
of.
are ma'am, any other class
Yes, ma'am. This is ma'am Anushka
Parents
of
Sharma.
my class, I think.
Okay, one more. Last you tell me. Amritanshu Chandra.
No, ma'am.
No. Oh God, what to do with these children? Tell me which was the last rule you wrote. I think collective nouns is the one we wrote, but I'm not sure because different sections we have different syllabus going on. Yes, which was the last rule we wrote? A collective noun takes a singular verb. Did we do this last? Tell me the last rule.
Yes.
One of you read out.
I'm 10th one.
Read, beta. What was the rule? Please read out.
Ma'am, last rule, ma'am, some noun which are plural in form but singular in meaning.
No,
Take
ma'am, a
singular-
collective noun makes.
We had already done.
have done with
Yes, ma'am, we have done this.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes.
telling the last one we have done.
The last one was not this. I think the last was this. Collective noun takes a singular verb.
Yes, ma'am,
right?
this is the last one.
Yes, this was the last one. You gave me so many examples of collective noun yesterday. I remember good examples came from your class. That is why I remember. We've done a collective noun takes a singular verb. We'll move on to this one now. When a sentence begins with indefinite numbers such as a number, a quarter, 2/3, 3/4, all, some, most. Keep looking at these words. Okay, majority, etc. Okay, it takes a verb depends on the noun and pronoun used after of. Which verb will be used will depend upon the word which is coming after which word? Of. If the noun used after of is singular, the verb is singular. But if it is plural, the verb is plural. See over here. A number of patriots after of. Which word is coming?
of
Hare, hare.
After of we have what word?
Ma'am, plural.
Yes, singular or plural? Patriots is plural. So we have used have. Look at
Ma'am,
this.
what is ma'am patriots?
Patriot, Deshbhakt. Okay, patriots.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
2/3 of the book, which is the subject after the singular or plural?
Singular.
Yes. बेटा आपको सिंपल ये देखना है ऑफ के बाद कौन सा वर्ड आ रहा है over here we have the word book, so it is singular or plural?
Singular.
singular.
So we have what? See over here is. What have we used?
Is
A part of my house. After of which word is coming?
house, new house.
House.
Singular.
Singular, ma'am.
Yes, it is singular. We have used is. A large number of students. After of which is the
Students, plural.
singular or
Plural.
plural?
Noun.
Ma'am,
Plural. So
plural.
plural. I hope the rule is very simple. Of के बाद जो भी word आएगा, just check for that. If that is singular, the verb should be singular. If that is plural, the verb should be plural. Did you understand the rule, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Why don't you write it in short in your own words? ये तो बहुत बड़ा लिखा है. Just write the rule as check for the word after of. If the word after of is singular, the verb is singular. If the word after of is plural, the verb is plural. Don't you think it would be better to write like this rather than writing it in such a complicating way?
Ma'am, how can we get a physical book of English grammar?
It's available at Saraswati Sadan.
Ma'am, what is the name?
It is, I think, full marks, beta, which has been prescribed by the school. It is full marks. But I saw the book. We don't have many grammar exercise in that book. If you want, you can send me a personal message. I'll send you the PDFs. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I have PDFs of different chapters from different books. I made a lot of PDFs. If you send me a personal message, I'll send it to you. Chalo, beta, write this rule. Can you write it in your own words? If the word after of is singular, the verb is singular. If the word after of is plural, the verb is Bolo beta.
Ma'am, plural.
Yes, please write down. Hurry up, please write down this rule in your own words. Don't write what is written here because it's written in a very complicating and a very long way. Finish writing? Beta, finished?
I'm doing.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Once you finish, let me know. Okay, then Anji has finished. Keep raising your hands also finish quickly. Very good. Very good. Very good. Most of you have written now. Did you understand the rule? You have to check the word which comes after which word? Off. If it is singular, very good. Check the word after off. If it is singular, make it singular. If it is plural, make it plural. Okay, next. A number of. Whenever you read this word number of, it means many. What does it mean?
Many.
Kita? A number of. If it is written a number of, it means many. But if only number of is written, the number of, then it is the exact number. If it is a number of, a laga hai, then that means we are talking about many people. But if it is the number of, then it is exact number. So if you have a number of, so the verb should be plural because we are talking of many people. But if it is written the number of, that means we are talking about an exact number, so the verb should be singular. देखो बेटा दोनों में number of है, बस first letter different है. यहाँ पे first letter is A. Okay? So a number of का means, what does it mean? A number of means what?
Many.
Many. So if it is many, then obviously the verb should be plural. And अगर a की जगह the लग गया, the number of, then we're talking about an exact number, then the verb should be singular. So when we write this rule, how will we write? Listen. A number of takes us which verb? Singular verb or plural verb?
Ma'am, plural.
Plural. Plural. So when you write in your own words, you write simple. A number of takes plural verb and the number of takes which verb?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, अगर a car is lying on the road, ma'am, तो क्या होगा? Singular होगा ना?
कार नहीं बेटा, ये a number of, अगर ये words है exact ये अगर यूज हो रहा है वो तो अलग है. A car is lying तो easy होगा. But अगर ये हो a number of cars are moving on the road, so you will say are or is?
Are.
Are. And if I say the number of cars coming to Bareilly dash less, is or are?
Is.
Are.
The number of
Is.
Ma'am,
Is.
are.
जी बेटा is. A
Ma'am,
number
how?
of,
Ma'am, the
because-
number of cars is coming.
because we said na, this rule is telling you that only. We are not talking about cars, we are talking about the number. And number to singular ही होगा. The number of cars could be 7, 8, 10, anything. So we are talking about an exact number, and that exact number can only be one. If I say the number of cars coming to Bareilly is 100, तो एक ही number हो सकता है. We are not talking about cars, we are talking about the number. So if it is a number of, the verb is plural. But if it is the number of, the verb is, tell me what is the verb?
Singular.
Singular.
Okay. The number of students in, look at this. The number of students in this school dash high. Is high or are high?
Are high.
ध्यान से सुनो बच्चे. The number of students.
अरे ma'am, is.
Okay. Next. A number of students dash coming to school is or are?
Are.
Very good. One more example. The number of apples dash decreasing is decreasing or are decreasing?
Is.
A number of apples dash lying on the floor is
Are.
so the rule becomes very simple. With a number of, the verb is plural, and with the number of, the verb is
Singular.
Singular.
right. Learn the rule very quickly. Good children, very nice. Please write down.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter.
ma'am, our school will conduct ma'am half yearly exam.
Of course, why not? School will surely conduct half yearly exam. Why will it not conduct?
Ma'am, when we will get our syllabus?
The exams are in September. So July last week, we'll post it. Syllabus has already been given by the teachers. It's with me. I have to just compile it. Teachers have already given the syllabus. Okay. You'll have it in September, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
September second week. So you have about 1.5 months.
Ma'am, in November, ma'am, we will have our term 1 examination.
Yes, in November you will have your term 1 examination. I hope you know the pattern of term 1 examination.
Yes, ma'am. MCQ
What?
based.
Yes.
Yes, MCQ based. So I hope you started practicing accordingly.
No, ma'am.
Not yet practicing MCQs.
Yes.
Beta, whatever chapters are done now, don't wait for the syllabus to get over. Whatever chapters are done, start practicing the MCQs of those chapters. Whether it is English or it is science or it is maths, start practicing those
We
chapters.
don't need to prepare ma'am long answer or short answer, only MCQs.
Beta, we have a meeting in the school today where the pattern of half dailies will be discussed. We have a meeting in school today. So next week I'll be able to tell you whether half yearlies will be also MCQs or they would be subjective. I'll see what principal sir instructs us and accordingly I'll let you know. Because November exams, they are MCQs for sure. Okay. But
Ma'am, it will
September,
be there, ma'am. If ma'am school will also conduct ma'am MCQ based examination.
it depends. You never know. We'll have to ask sir, whatever sir takes a decision. Like, we would request him if he agrees to get it done MCQ only, it would be better. Because you'll be able to practice more. But if sir feels that subjective is better, then we'll. Today we have a meeting in the school, bache. I'll let you know, don't worry. Just remind me and ask me when you have your next class. I'll be able to tell you. Okay? Have you written the rules? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone who wants me to wait? Or everybody has done? Ari? At least tell me, is there anyone who wants me to wait? Or should I move further?
No, ma'am. We can move further.
Okay, beta, we'll continue. Okay. How many rules have you written?
Ma'am, 11.
Ma'am, 12.
Somebody says 11, somebody says 12. Lot of confusion.
No, ma'am. We have saying 11.
Sorry, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Let's move on to the next one. Yes. This one. Sometimes the names of countries are used in plural sense. In such cases, the verb is used as also plural. There are some countries whose name is used in plural sense. These two you can learn also. Sri Lanka, India, Sri Lanka and India. So these two countries mainly, we use them in plural sense. See over here, the names of this rule is actually not a perfect rule. Let's leave this. With India, we use
Ma'am,
as
ma'am, why we use ma'am Sri Lanka as a plural?
because it's a group of small islands.
And ma'am, India, ma'am?
India is not correct to be used. That is why I said you leave this. India has a lot of natural resources. We don't say have. Sri Lanka is okay. United States of America, we generally can use this. USSR we can use. We can use this with those countries which are group of small islands, but not with countries like India. So we have left this rule. Let's come to this. Wherever you come across this phrase, a lot of, which phrase am I talking of? Lot
A lot of.
Second is plenty. And third is a great deal of. Three phrases. A lot of, plenty, and great deal of. Then we have some of. Okay. If they are used in quantity, then they are singular. But if they are used in numbers, then they are plural. For example, a lot of trees. Trees are countable or uncountable? Quantity or number?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Trees are countable. They have a number. So if they have a
Ma'am, but
number,
number is not given.
so what? Number will always not be given to you. I just said whether this thing is countable or it is uncountable. You have to decide according to that. So trees are countable or uncountable, children?
Ma'am, countable.
Ma'am,
Uncountable.
Ma'am, countable.
So we will take it as number, not as quantity. So something which can be countable will be used here. A lot of ke saath, we are going to use it as plurals, beta. We'll use it as what? We'll use it as plurals.
Plural.
Look here. A lot of students. A lot of has been used with students. Students are countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Ma'am, countable.
So we have used are, that is plural. Look at the third one. There is plenty of water.
Ma'am, uncountable.
Ma'am, uncountable.
That means water is quantity. It is uncountable. So we have used is. So with quantity we used is, that is singular. There are plenty of job opportunities.
Ma'am, countable.
Countable.
A simple rule you can write in your own words also. That when you have these phrases, a lot of, plenty of, great deal, and some of, these four. So with countables, the verb is plural, and with uncountables, the verb is, what is the verb?
Singular.
Singular.
You will have to write till here, same you write. Sentences with phrases, lot of, plenty, great deal of, some of, till here you write, then you write. If the subject is countable, the verb is?
Singular.
Singular.
Ulta, verb is countable.
Plural.
Plural.
Yes. With countable, it is plural, and with uncountable, it is?
Singular.
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 Please write down the rule yourself quickly. Try writing in your own words. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Ma'am, what is the name of this chapter?
Very good. After how many days have you joined the class?
Ma'am, after 2 days.
Sure. Children, please tell him the name of the chapter.
Subject verb concord.
Yes. Subject verb concord. You can also write it as subject verb agreement. You can write it this also.
Ma'am, there is an agreement signed between subject and verb.
That is what we are studying. That the verb will always agree according to the subject. Whether the verb should be singular or plural. That will be decided by the subject only. That is why the chapter is known as subject verb agreement. The verb has to agree with the subject.
Ma'am, I have messaged you, ma'am, for PDF. Ma'am, please send me the PDF.
Rita, I'll see you on a Sunday tomorrow when I have time. I'll forward it to you, whatever I have. Children, those who finished writing, please tell me quickly.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Others also raise your hands. Let me see how many are done. Whatever exercises we do in the class, those PDFs are there. So topic wise, you can practice.
I'm done.
Good. What about others? I think we can do one more rule and then you can post your work on the group. We still have time. We can do one more rule also. Okay. So I don't know, you have different numbers because you have different sections joining here. So let's begin. We have the next rule. We still have about 8 minutes. Let me go on to this. 5 students have already written. When the plural noun is a proper name for some single object or some collective unit, it requires a singular verb. See, the Canterbury Tales, this is the name of a book. If you see the name, it looks as if it is plural. It is written Tales, but it is the name of one book only. So we have taken it as was. The United Nations. If you see, we have an S over here, but this is one organization only, the UN. So we use what? Was. Lamb's Tales is an interesting book. This is again one book only, but it is, the name is like this, that S is coming in this. Like we had mathematics, civics. You remember the rule we did?
Yes, ma'am.
We did a rule now where it was mathematics and civics. So there was S at the end. We don't have to get confused. It's a single subject, so we use the verb as singular. Same here also. You can simply understand this, that if there is a proper name of a single object, this is the name of a single object. So you can make your own rule that sometimes the name of a singular object looks like a plural, but the verb should be taken as singular. If you see, this looks like a plural because S is there. Here also S is here, here also this is S. Okay. So in these cases where it looks as if the subject is plural, but the object is single only, then the verb will be singular or plural?
Sing.
Single. Can you give me the name of another book where we have S and it is one book only? Hmm? There is a very famous book by R.K. Narayan, Malgudi Days. Have you heard of this book? No.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a very, it is Malgudi Days.
Fairy tales.
Fairy tales.
Yes, ma'am. I have read many.
So if you see over here, S comes. Okay. But S does not mean that there are many books. It is one single object. So you can write this rule in your own words, that sometimes the name of books appears to be plural, but it is actually a single book. So the verb should be singular. Write in your own words. Let me see how you write. Then I'll ask you to speak out also what you have written. Write and raise your hands. Let me see. I'll tell you to read out the rule that you have written because you're writing in your own words. Okay? Just write and raise your hands. That's it. Then one by one, those who raise hands will read out the rule for me. Let me check now. Okay, Vishesh, Nikhil and Dhananjay have written. Please read out your rules for us. Read, beta.
Ma'am, if the noun is a proper name for some single object or some collective unit, it requires a single verb.
Okay, very good. If the name is there, it's although a single object, then the verb is singular. Okay, the other two also read down the rule that you've written. Boys, you raise your hands. There were two more boys. Come on, read out. Where have they disappeared? Read out your rules for us. Very good. Vishesh Agarwal, what happened? You raise your hand. Read out the rule.
For the last one, I have raised.
Hurry up, raise your hand. Those who finished. Only Dhananjay has spoken. All of you, raise your hands. Those who've written. I want you to read out the rules for me. And then please post your work on the group immediately. Start posting your work on the group. We just have 2 minutes left. Post your work on the group. Only 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, I have sent my work.
Yes, very good. Post your work on the group. Otherwise, it is no point. You will not be marked present, children. Hurry up, post your work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm from laptop. May I send ma'am when they will be break? Then shall I send ma'am?
You are from?
Ma'am, I'm attending the class from laptop.
Yes, you send it from anything, but please send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
I want to see the work. Today's work has to be seen.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly post your work, children. Hardly 30 seconds left.
Ma'am, same is with me. I am also doing it with laptop.
So, how will you send? Later, you can send.